This is Colicals. Welcome to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Don't be afraid as well to hit that subscribe button. Guys, it's been too long. I know because I had a lot of things going on. And another thing, it's December. Get December, boss, So, yeah, someone told me that I scream a lot. Why do I scream? So, you know what? For me to justify that, Uguti, I've got a very soft voice. And now, if ngizokhuluma ngayo, you won't even hear me. Guys. So, okay, I'll try ukuthi ngingascreami kakhulu, So another person told me ukuthi, hayi wena mo girl, why do you get shocked after reading every sentence? Because everything that I read about is shocking me. Ziya ndishokisha, ndishocked, ndihlezi ndishocked ke mna. Okay, maybe I exaggerate a bit here and there. So bathi wena, you must read the whole thing and then ube shocked after. Okay, right. I got that. Got that. Got that. Okay. Today we're gonna talk about something that is very, very shocking as well. Okay, maybe not shocking for other people, but shocking for me. Okay, so you're gonna see me shocked here and there during my video. So, the question I wanna ask, would you date your bestie's man? Okay, that's just a question. And can I reverse the question and send it to the man, the man's? Would you date your woman's bestie? Okay, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not getting the answers. But again, namhlanje we're gonna talk about people who found out ukuthi their men are dating their besties. Okay, so I'm gonna read 5 of the text with you as per usual. So I'm just gonna get right onto the first one. Uthi girl, we need to talk, and we need to talk now. I've been ignoring the signs, Sakhile, but I can't anymore. I know what's going on between you and my friend, and it's disgusting. How could you do this to me? We're supposed to be in a relationship, and you are out there. I don't know if I should say this word, but Uti, and you are out there screwing my friend. It's over. I don't want to see you. I don't want to talk to you. And I don't want to be with you. You are a cheater. Uti, you are a cheater, and you are not worth my time. Get out of my life. Okay, sekaqoshiwe kanjalo. Uthi wena, why do you date my friend? Ngitholile ngifind outhile. And you know what? Ngizokubuza and get out of my life. Ndi apha nguwe. Ndi heartful nguwe. Wow! Who does that, Mara? Who does that? Sure. Let's go on to the second video. Let's go on to the second text. Utu girl, I'm done. I've had enough of your lies and deceit. You are a coward for cheating on me with Tato. I'll never forgive you. You are selfish, self-centered person who only thinks about themselves. You don't care about anyone else's feelings as long as you get what you want. Well, I got news for you guys. I'm not going to be your punching bag anymore. Hawu ngapha uguy kanti ula usemandleni usesandleni. Ay girl, baleka, run away, baleka nginyawo zombini. Uthi, don't even think about trying to contact me again. Block my number, block my social media, and I'm going to make sure you are blocked from all my friends and family. You are toxic and I deserve better. So manje ugirl makathi uzomblocka kubo bonke abangani bakhe. So what about uThando? Yo, hayi kunzima, kunzima guys. Really? Wow. Sure. Can I go on to the third text? Sibona ukuthi yona isiphatheleni. Uthi girl, you make me sick. How could you betray me like that? I thought I knew you, but I guess I was just blind. You used me, manipulated me, and cheated on me with someone who's supposed to be my friend. Ha ha ha. Uthi you are a master of manipulation. Shukuthi uhleli ku throne yama manipulators. Master wakhona abantu bambhawela down. Yo, and I'm not going to fall for it again. It's over. And don't try to reach out on me. I don't want to see your face. I don't want to hear your voice. And I don't want to think about you. Uyambona ugel ukwatile. Ukwatile akafuni next uyashunga. Lapha hleli khona. You are a waste of my time and energy. Get out of my life and stay out. Yambolo stay out ngiyamuzwa ukuthi like she's literally screaming. Hi. Bese nithi ngingabi shocked izindaba ezingaka. Hi and hi again. Yo, asiya ku number 4. Number 4 uthi I've been thinking about this a lot and I've come to the conclusion that you are not worth my energy. You are a cheater and cheaters don't change. You are going to keep doing what you're doing and I'm not going to be there to pick up the pieces. I've seen the way you look at Tumi. I've seen the way you flirt and lead her on. You are a player. I'm not going to be your next victim. Get lost and don't come back. I deserve better than someone like you. This guy lacks respect. Lo phela uyi-shy 99. Ufleta nomngani 99. Ambheke ngamehlo, umbheka ngamehlo wothando. And ugirl akekho dom. Uyijongile lento le and akaqali. Uthi wena nje njalo wenza so. And when you won't change. And lapho I agree with you. He will not change. Nah. How do you even allow umuntu wamngani wakho nawe aloka afleda? Like, uyithola injani leyo nto leyo? Is it nice? Well, for me it would be very disgusting. Guys, I'd be disgusted on that man. And even if bengumhlonipha loyo muntu kamngani wami, I would never ever respect that guy again. You know, me, I'm bitter like that, guys. Sure. Let's go on to number 5, the last text of the day. Also, girl, I deserve so much better than this. I deserve someone who respects me and loves me for who I am. You are just a pathetic cheater, and I'm done with you. You not even worth my anger because you don't deserve it. I'm just going to move on with my life and forget that you ever existed. Don't bother trying to contact me again. I won't respond. No mungazama. I'll just block and delete you from my life. Like you never even mattered. You just a footnote in my life and I'm going to make sure it's a footnote that's barely legible. Yo, and ugirl uyashaya ke isilungu ayishaya English ugirl. Uthi wena lalela la. Ngikhathele wena uyi-pathetic cheater. Ngikhathele, I'm moving on and then ngiyakublock and then ngizophatha ngathi you've never existed in my life. You uyenza kanjani into enjalo? Uyenza kanjani into enjalo? But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's videos. And that's it for today. Bye.